Hello everyone, welcome back to the series on Indian mathematics, Ganitha Ratna Kosha. We were looking at squares in the previous video and we saw how to do squares of 2-digit numbers. Now we will see how we can do squares of 3 digits and larger numbers. To make it easier for doing squares of larger numbers, we define a concept called duplex. We can also do these multiplications with the crisscross, but it makes it slightly simpler if we introduce this definition of a concept called duplex. So, duplex of a single digit number is the square of that number. For example, duplex of 4 is nothing but 4 square, that is 16. The duplex of a 2-digit number is the crisscross. So duplex is the crisscross in the crisscross is the center term in the crisscross multiplication always. So for example, duplex of 1 2 of 12 is 2 into 1 into 2, which is 4. Duplex of a 3-digit number ABC is 2AC plus B square. You can also remember it as the center term in the dot multiplication or the crisscross multiplication. So for example, if I had 123, duplex of 123 will be 2 into 1 into 3 plus 2 square, that is 10. Similarly, a 4-digit number will be 2AD plus BC plus 2BC. So duplex of 1 2 3 4 is 2 into 1 into 4 plus 2 into 2 into 3, which is 20. Similarly, duplex of a 5-digit number again will be product of, it will be the center term of the crisscross like that. So it will be the first into last and then the center terms and then the center term. So it will be duplex of, for example, 1 2 3 2 1 will be 2 into 1 into 1, but 2 into 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2 into 2 plus 3 square, which is 19. So this is we call the duplex. So if we remember this duplex, then writing squares of 3-digit numbers and larger numbers becomes very extremely easy. So for example, if I am now working with a 3-digit number, do 123 square. Now the parts will be duplex of 1, start on the left. Then the next part will be duplex of 1 2, 1 and 2, the 2 digits. Then the next part will be duplex of 1 2 3, that's all the 3 digits. Then the next part will be duplex of 2 and 3, and the next part will be duplex of 3. So this is how the pattern is. So it starts from the left and it will go to the right, or you can start from the right and go to the left. So duplex of 1 is 1, 1 square is 1. Duplex of 1 and 2 is 2 into 1 into 2, that is 4. Duplex of 1 into 3 is 1 2 3 is 2 into 1 into 3 plus 2 square, which is 6 plus 4 10. Duplex of 2 3 will be 2 into 2 into 3, which is 12, and duplex of 3 is 3 square. These are the parts. Now I pass the extra digits, that is 9. 2 will come to the answer. This one will go here, so 1, and this one will go here, that becomes 5 and 1. So 15129 is the square of 123. Similarly, one more example. So I have to start with, for example, if it is 245 square, I start with duplex of 2, then duplex of 2 4, then duplex of 2 4 5, then duplex of 4 5, and then duplex of 5. Once we get used to it, we don't have to write in that form, but we can just start writing the parts. So leftmost part is 4, then duplex of 2 of 4, 2 into 2 into 4, that's 4 4s are 16. Then duplex of 2 4 5, that is 2 into 5, that is 20 plus 4 square 16, which is 36. then 2 into 4 into 5, 8 5s are 40, and then duplex of 5 is 5 square, which is 25. So I write 5 down, this 4, 2 goes here, so this becomes 2, this 4 comes here, so this gets added, this becomes 40, so 0. Now this 4 goes here, this becomes 20, so 0 comes down, and this 2 goes here, that becomes 6. So 60025 is the square of 245. Now with some practice I can avoid writing all the parts and I can write the answer from left to right as well. So and also I can use vinculums. So for example, I am looking at 139 square. So in vinculum that will be 141 square. Now we go d of 1, then duplex of 1 4, then duplex of 1 4 bar 1, then duplex of 4 bar 1, and duplex of bar 1. These are the parts. So I will start writing left to right as if I am calculating left to right. So 1, duplex of 1 and 4 is 2 into 1 into 4, 8. Next part is duplex of 1 4 1 is duplex of 2 into 1 into minus 1, that's minus 2, plus 4 square 16, that's 18. So 14, sorry, that's 14, that's 16 minus 2 is 14. Then duplex of 4 and bar 1 is minus 8, and duplex of minus 1 is 1. So we have 1 9 4 bar 8 1. Now if I convert this to normal, it becomes 1 9 3 2 1. So 19321 is the square of 139. So like this, with some practice, I will be able to write squares of 3-digit numbers from left to right. I have given some problems to try out in the notes. Please do try them, and please do write to me for any clarifications. You can check the workings as usual on the bharatgyan.com website. Thank you.